If you need a quick weeknight dinner that's not going to take more than 30 minutes and it's delicious, this is the video for you. Let's make beef and broccoli over noodles. So here's a visual of everything that we're going to need. If you would like full measurements and a full list, you can click the link in the description to my Etsy shop and purchase the recipe. Now let's get started. The very first thing that you're going to want to do is to go ahead and pre-slice your steak. If it's already cut up in a pack, you can add it to your bowl, and we're just going to give it a quick rinse and then come back to make our marinade. Next, we're going to go ahead and get started with our marinade. We're going to start with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a teaspoon of soy sauce. I use the lower sodium option. I did also add in a tablespoon of oyster sauce off camera. I'm gonna add in another tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm gonna add in half a teaspoon of freshly minced ginger. Now I'm gonna mix this together and leave this alone while we make our sauce. Now we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce, which is gonna consist of some beef stock, soy sauce, more oyster sauce, some sesame oil, freshly minced garlic, some brown sugar, and mix this well and set aside. You're going to add your oil to a pot and wait until you start to see bubbles form and add in your meat. I did let this cook for about 7 to 8 minutes before taking it out and adding in our sauce mixture. I did also add in a cornstarch slurry to make the sauce nice and thick like you see here. And then I'm adding back in my meat as well as my broccoli that I steamed in the microwave, as well as our udon noodles that were also microwaved. We're going to mix this together really well and allow everything to melt in with our sauce for about an additional 5 to 6 minutes. Then I'm going to plate. I'm going to add in some green onions and some sesame seeds, and boom, you have a 30-minute beef and broccoli dinner ready to go. If you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are interested in the full ingredients list and measurements, head over to the description and click the Etsy link